Today we are taking a look at 3 essential workshop sets from Parkside. Simple tools, but extremely useful in real-world applications. These are the kind of tools that every DIY ER and serious workshop owner should have ready at all times. Let's start with the Parkside Wire Brush Set. This set typically includes 3 different types of brushes: a steel brush, a brass brush, and a nylon brush. Each one is designed for a specific type of surface and level of cleaning. The steel brush is made for heavy-duty work. It's ideal for removing rust from metal surfaces, cleaning weld seams, stripping old paint from steel parts, and preparing metal before repainting or welding. If you're restoring old tools, cleaning bolts, or removing corrosion from brackets, this is the one you grab. The brass brush is softer and safer for more delicate metal surfaces. It's perfect when you don't want to scratch the base material. You can use it on softer metals like aluminum or brass fittings, battery terminals, small mechanical parts, or even for light cleaning on engine components. The nylon brush is the most gentle option in the set. It's ideal for plastic surfaces, light dirt removal, or cleaning sensitive components where metal bristles would cause damage. Great for detail cleaning, interior parts, or finishing touches after heavier work. All 3 brushes feature ergonomic handles for better grip and control, allowing you to apply pressure without slipping. Whether you're restoring, repairing, or maintaining, this wire brush set is a must-have for preparation work. Now let's move on to the Parkside File Set, 3 pieces. This set is designed for shaping, smoothing, and refining materials. Typically, it includes different file profiles such as flat, round, and half round, giving you flexibility depending on the task. The flat file is perfect for straight edges and flat surfaces. You can use it to smooth rough metal edges after cutting, refine welds, adjust metal brackets, or even shape wood and plastic when precision is required. The round file is designed for enlarging holes or working on curved internal surfaces. If you need to smooth the inside of a drilled hole, adjust pipe openings, or refine curved cuts, this tool is essential. The half round file gives you the best of both worlds. One flat side and one curved side allow you to work on both straight and rounded surfaces. It's extremely versatile and probably the one you'll use the most in detailed fitting and finishing jobs. These files are made for controlled material removal. They are ideal for metal but can also be used on wood and certain plastics. Whether you're fabricating, modifying parts, or doing fine adjustments, a good file set gives you precision that power tools sometimes cannot. Finally, let's look at the Parkside Chisel Set, 3 pieces. This set is designed primarily for woodworking. It usually includes 3 different widths, allowing you to choose the right size depending on the task. Wood chisels are essential for detailed carpentry work. You can use them for cutting joints, cleaning out mortises, shaping wood, trimming edges, or adjusting door hinges and locks. The narrower chisel is ideal for detailed work in tight spaces. The medium size is perfect for general-purpose cutting and shaping. The wider chisel is excellent for removing larger amounts of material and flattening surfaces. These chisels are designed with sharp cutting edges for clean results and solid handles for controlled strikes when used with a mallet. They allow precision that power tools simply cannot match, especially in fine woodworking or custom fitting jobs. If you are building furniture, installing cabinets, repairing wooden structures, or doing any kind of carpentry, a reliable chisel set is absolutely essential. So these were 3 simple but powerful additions to any workshop: a wire brush set for cleaning and preparation, a file set for shaping and refining, and a chisel set for precision woodworking. If you enjoy honest tool reviews and practical workshop content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're building something serious here. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next project.